All great designs were myths, right? Da Vinci's flying machine is an expression of the myth of Icarus. Prometheus and the liver being devoured was this myth of organ regeneration. So in a way, through their mythologies, they were also expressing scientific knowledge. So these look like anatomical drawings, scientific anatomical drawings that are entirely made of glass, created in the late 1880s by a father and son that have dedicated their life to the art of glass. They produced 4,000 glass models depicting 780 species. It's still unclear to artists and scientists alike how they managed to arrive at that granularity. And many have tried to replicate this art form and have failed. It's a mystery. So we came here to study the glass and to better understand how this resolution was achieved. I don't know that we've ever taken on a project that did not involve the creation of a new technology. Glass, that's an ancient material. It's been formed, it's been blown, it's been pressed, but it hasn't been printed. So then we wanted to create the first optically transparent glass printer.